Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I'm going to solve Deccan Herald newspaper Sudoku puzzle on August 27, 2022. Hard Sudoku. 8th row, we have 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column B, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 5. 4th grade, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Column D, 3rd row, we have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then 4th grade also 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, then 3 is confirmed here. Then 1st grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 2nd row and 4th row, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. 3rd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 5. Column G, we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, then 5 is confirmed here. Then 3rd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 4th row, column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells, then 1 is confirmed here. 2nd row, column E, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells, the 9 is confirmed here. Then 2nd grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Ninth row, we have 4, 9, 2. That 3 numbers can't come the 3 cells. It will come in another 3 cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 3, 8. Column H, we have 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 can't come the cell. It will come in another 2 cells. Column J, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then only 1 number is remaining, 9th grade, 8. 8 is confirmed here. 9th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then 9th row, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column I, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 2. 8th row, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column F, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 6. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 4 and 5. 6th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 5th row, column G, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. Then 6th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 8 and 9. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. 4th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell, 5 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 4th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then fourth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6, it will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Column G, 5th row and 6th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Column E, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. Then 7th row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column G, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Then first grade, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then third row, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then column J, only one number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then second grade, only one number is remaining, 2. 2 is confirmed here. Column E, we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column F, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. 5th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell, 3 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 5th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 5th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell, 8 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. Column D, we have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 5th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.